Hello Canva users, in this video we are going to learn how to create a text wavy effect or distorted text, as you can call it in both ways. So what you can do is go to the Canva homepage, and you can search for anything you're creating. Uh, in my case, I am creating a logo, so I'll be searching for logo. Then I'll be creating the logo, and as you can see, Canva has created the logo for me. So it loads for some time. So I'll just make it more bigger, maybe 109. Then you can upload text, or you can press the key T. Then as you can see, Canva has made a text for me. Then what you can do is, no, not that. Montserrat, mm, bold. I think it was called that. Yeah, extra bold. That's what I was wanting. So bold fonts are kind of cool. So what I can do is type something like the then legendary, or no, let's make it obvious. It gospel. Okay, I can type something like that. Make the text a little more bigger. We want it to be more bigger, right? So let's make it in the center. Then if you want, you can change the color, but I'm gonna show you how to do it in just a second. You can go to the background, click on the background, and click on this uh, like button, and you can choose whatever color you want. Let me choose this cobalt blue. Then change the color of the text. As you can see, text color, change it to something like violet. Oops, that's too much. I'll choose something like green. Yeah, green looks good. After that, what you can do is download the page. Let me keep that png. As you can see, it saves the download settings, so you can download, and it's Canva downloads your design. Let me just name it your paragraph text. Then add another page on Canva. Then you can go to uploads, upload the media from the device. Then I can choose the text that I have downloaded. Can just put it here, and as you can see, now you cannot change the text which is there. As you can see, I'm double clicking it. It isn't working because it is already rendered as an image, so you cannot change it. So what we're going to go do is click on the effects. So what uh, is different with the text and the image? Let me click on the text effects, which are different from the effects of the image. So you're going to go to effects, and what you can do is go to this liquify menu or option. Maybe it will be more down, or you'll have to type it. So what you have to do is click on the see all or more button in some cases. Then as you can see, there are a lot of effects here that you can try out, and some which are cool. So I am going to choose wobble, which I prefer or I like the most. So I'm gonna click on apply, and ta-da! Your wavy text is ready. Then what you can do is download this wavy text. I can download the second page. You can choose which page you want to download. Page 2, I selected that. Then you can download this as your YouTube profile or Google profile. So what you can do is go to your YouTube profile, and you can change it here to your, you can go to your channel, or if you don't have a channel, you can go to your manage your Google account, and you can edit your profile from here, and it takes you to editing slash images. Then you can edit your channel profile. So bye everybody. If you like this video, I will continue uploading more content like this, and if you subscribe you will get access to a lot of amazing videos which are coming next. Bye everybody, this is all for today. Tomorrow what we're going to learn is we're gonna learn how to create a website in Wix part 3, I think. Then we're going to learn about many amazing Canva tricks like this wavy text one. So what you're waiting for? Just subscribe, sit, relax, and design. Bye everybody.